First question in the section is asking about intercept form. It gives the two intercepts and it gives a point, a random point. It does not need to be the vertex. So if you look somewhere else in the section, or in this test, you could look at section 2, or 5.1b, and you would see the fact that it looks something like this. Y equals, parentheses, x plus or minus something, parentheses, x plus or minus something. That is vertex form. Where do the two x-intercepts go?
There.
Oh, there's always an A.
Oh, B and C.
Here and here, right?
Yeah.
Technically they're called P and Q, but you don't need to know that. But x-intercept, -6, what do we write if the x-intercept is -6?
6.
Plus 6.
-2.
Because if we plugged in -6, we'd get out 0. -2.
Okay.
So that's how it's supposed to look.
Why do you have vertex form if they want to intercept?
This is intercept form. This is vertex form for question number 2.
Oh, okay.
Wait, so that's all you have to do for that?
No.
Okay.
You then need to take the point, because you need to know what A is. Do we know what A is?
No.
We don't know what A is. So you need to take the point and plug it in. -3 is equal to A times 1 plus 6 times 1 minus 2. What's 1 plus 6?
7.
Remember the video camera's going. I don't want too much noise or distractions, or
Yeah.
shouldn't be doing that anyway.
Courtney.
What's 1 minus 2?
-1.
7 times -1?
-7.
Whoa, okay.
How do I figure out what A is?
Divide by 7.
Why is it parentheses stuff? Equals 7A.
Because if I wrote it like this, it looks like it's A minus 7.
Yeah.
But it's A times -7. This is our multiplication.
Isn't it negative?
You could do -7A.
Sorry, never mind.
Right?
Yep.
-7A and then equals -3.
How do you solve for A?
2.5. Or negative.
2.5.
Divide by -7.
Divide by -7.
Oh, it's 1/2.
It's going to be 3/7. So they're both positive.
Negative 3.
They're both negative, so it's going to end up being
Oh,
positive.
yeah. Oops.
So-
Equals 3/7.
A is 3/7. Is that really horrible? Like, we have to deal with 3/7? Oh wait, we just had to plug it in. I could even erase this A and write 3/7. And then circle that. That's all. That's it. That's your answer. Because we have everything filled in and we need it. We need to have. Do not give an answer with X and Y filled in. You fill in X and Y, it's not an equation. Vertex form. So look somewhere else in there, you can see that it's Y equals A times X minus something plus something. You don't have to remember the formula. It's supposed to be X minus H plus K.
It's squared, isn't it?
It's supposed to be H, it's supposed to be K. Oh yeah, it's squared, sorry. I missed that square.
So we just have to plug in.
So you had to plug in your vertex. What's your X part of your vertex? 4. And remember it's X minus 4 then. What's the Y part of the vertex?
-3.
So this is going to be a -3. Remember, this is in parentheses.
Oh.
It needs to cancel out to be 0, so that's why we changed the sign. This one does not need to cancel out in any way. It's just the value that's there.
X minus
Plug in your X's and your Y's. 2 is equal to A times 8 minus 4 squared minus 3. What's A minus 4?
4.
2 is equal to A times 4 squared
16.
minus 3. I'm going to just add 3 to both sides now because it's separate. 5 is equal to A times 16. How do I solve for A? How do I solve for A?
Well, hold on. When did you?
Oh, okay, 16A and
I got rid of the 3 first. I got rid of the 3 at the same time. Sorry, I'm going a little bit fast.
16A.
A times, yeah. You don't have to change it to 16A. You could just, because we're just going to, we could change it. If we're going to write down a final answer, we'd want to change it. But we're just solving it. It's just an extra step we need to do. It's going to be 5/16. A is equal to 5. I get what you're saying, Ryan.
You divide by
But you don't have to. Oh, that's your answer. So you divide by 16. Then we can go up here. We can even just put it right back into this one and put 5/16. I'm just running out of room. Is the reason. I mean, you could write. If I were you, I'd write it in a different place, but I'm like running out of room, so I put it back into that one.
X minus 4 minus 3. Okay.
Questions?
Wow. Makes more sense now.
Questions?
Comments, concerns?